Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my upload.
Binance is a cryptocurrency trading platform that allows traders to exchange their fiat currencies for cryptocurrencies. It is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. With Binance you can buy and sell digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin at an affordable price. Moreover, you can also trade with your friends and make money from the trading platform. It is a very popular cryptocurrency trading platform in the world. While most exchanges are just marketplaces where users can look at some data, sign up and place some orders, Binance is something different. As per the Binance review, it is well integrated into the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It has a wallet, an application that allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies and many other features. In fact, Binance is such a large exchange that it's often referred to by its user interface Binance Chain. Binance Chain operates off the Ethereum blockchain, just like Ethereum. However, because the Ethereum blockchain is too slow, Binance Chain is much faster than the Ethereum blockchain. It also allows Binance Chain to handle significantly more traffic and transactions per second. Binance Chain was designed to be scalable, and it's currently one of the most scalable blockchains on the market. As we have mentioned, Binance also operates a cryptocurrency exchange, but it's primarily for trading rather than exchange. Binance Exchange was founded by Changpeng Zhao in 2017. From the beginning, Binance is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchange with a sophisticated platform. Because of its fast trading and feature-rich platform, many investors and traders use it around the world as Binance Legit. In one sentence, Binance is a legit exchange. Binance is a crypto exchange that has been featured in many publications, including Forbes. Moreover, it is operated across the world. Over the last few years, it has gained a lot of reputation. Multiple Binance Exchange reviews suggests that it has received attention for offering a wide range of cryptos through its platform. They also provide a secure network for you to trade through. Further, Binance has expanded its business operations globally, and now it has offices in over 140 countries. Binance offers 365 plus cryptocurrencies to trade in their platform. The exchange has also introduced fiat crypto exchange pairs like your USD, AUD, HKD, GBP, and Binance native token BNB. However, depending on your location, you may trade 50 to 591 cryptocurrency pairs at Binance. Top cryptocurrencies offered by Binance are BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Terra, Cardano, Solana, Shiba Inu, Phantom. As Binance is the largest crypto exchanges by trading volume in the world, they currently support 8 languages including English, Chinese, Spanish, Korean, Turkish, and Vietnamese. As Binance is accessible from more than 140 countries in the world, they welcome traders of all backgrounds, nationalities, and cultures. According to multiple Binance review, it offers a wide range of trading tools for its traders, which includes real-time charting tools along with the exponential moving average. Moreover, traders can also place an order via the Binance desktop app, website, or even smartphone apps. So there is no doubt that you will have a great trading experience at Binance. Minimum deposit and trading amount are 2 important aspects of cryptocurrency trading. These 2 aspects can be easily defined by a trader's mindset. A trader's mindset is the most defining characteristic of any crypto trader. The minimum deposit for Binance is $50 and the minimum trading amount is at least $10. When you have an account on Binance, you are able to trade a variety of different altcoins for Bitcoin or Ether. The following guide will help you on how to trade on Binance. There are mainly 2 ways to trade on Binance: through the exchange or through the margin trading platform. However, trading through the margin trading platform is much more advanced and complex and recommended for experienced traders only. The easy way to buy Bitcoin or Ether on Binance is by using Binance Coin. This is not Binance Coin's official name, but it's the most used name for this cryptocurrency. When you open a Binance account, you will be asked if you would like to purchase your initial coins with either BTC or to other currencies. Different Binance review suggests that it is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. And while it's designed primarily for trading Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Ether Classic, it is also capable of trading all coins.